The Design Studio can be used to create design reports. These reports can be shared with clients as sales proposals. The first page of the design report is the client information page. On the left hand side, you can see the client name, address, and GPS coordinates. On the right, you have the top view of the project design. Here is a link to view a 3D model where the client can see the details of the project. This page contains the system metrics. Annual production, performance ratio, and specific generation are displayed prominently. This is followed by the DC nameplate, AC nameplate, load ratio, and weather dataset details. The third page provides information about estimated savings and the cost of the system. The savings and IRR are calculated over 25 years. Notice the payback period usually lies between 3 to 5 years, depending on the size of the project and subsidy. The next part in the report contains the list of items to be used during your installation. It has the modules, make and quantity, details about inverters, and other balance of system parts. Then the next few pages of the report focus on the annual generation output. On this page, you can see the generation info of the various months. It has a neat graphical representation that captures the effect of weather conditions in the first year. The purpose of this page is to display detailed information regarding system metrics. The first three columns are captured using the weather file. Then the energy from the array is the DC output at the array level. The next is the energy at the grid level, which is basically the amount of AC energy supplied to the grid. The difference between the two numbers is basically the losses at different level. We then have the performance ratio and the specific generation for every month. The next page contains information about the different field segments used in design. We have module orientation, tilt and azimuth, as well as the frame size of the segments. On this page, we have a bird's eye view of the heat map and solar axis indicator for panels. On the next page, detailed loss diagram shows the total losses at each step of the irradiance and energy calculations. This is a page that shows the client the cost of not going solar. Basically, the client can see what his bill will be like when he does not install solar panels, and there is an increase in the electricity rates year on year for 25 years. The white color columns show how much lesser he'll be spending on electricity bills. The last page of the report has covered the environmental benefits of installing solar. Since the electricity produced by solar doesn't burn fossil fuel, we can calculate the carbon dioxide offset. Similarly, we can calculate the equivalent number of trees planted. This report is designed to achieve maximum sales for our clients. For the users of Design Studio, we try to enable you to convince the end user. We provide the data which you might take a lot of time to create. Hence, the design report is created within seconds for every design.